KICKASSETS. Ching.
Today it's raining. We're going for a drive to see some properties. Yippee! Even though it's raining, it's still freaking hot out there. So 25. Oh, やばい。はい、入りづらいところですね。こっちじゃないよ。It's not here. No. 違いますね。
ちょっとすみません。
はい。はい、大丈夫です。
大丈夫です。
Alright. Step into my office, because you get the rest. There it is. Alright, what do we have today for you folks? Oh, let's take a picture. Pretty da. Hey, moshi moshi. Wow. Got a good front door, that's for sure. Key box, don't they? He's using the key box to get the key. Some properties do that. That fence just looks a little bit off. A lot of junk on the side of the house. Storehouse isn't so good. Hi, お邪魔します。本当だ。やばい。
やばいです。
やばい。
これは土足でいいと思います。
What the heck happened here? これどうしたの？ペットがいたかな？じゃあ、このままいいですか？
このままいいです。
Wow. First time to wear shoes in a house in Japan. Don't be a clown. すごいね。どうしたのこの家。はい、じゃあビュー入らない方がいいですね。ごめんなさい。Holy night. The pictures are so different. こういうもの写真入ってなかったんですね。
そうですね。
Wow.
猫を飼ってたみたいで。
これで猫なってんじゃん。私も猫なってるけど。
あ、そっか。
多分これ犬の方がじゃないんですか。
すごいですね。ちょっとリフォーム必要ですね。
Oh, it doesn't even open. It's gonna fall off. Look at that. It's moving. Oh my goodness gracious. この物件、空き家どのぐらいかな ?100 年この、どのぐらい空き家になってるかなこの物件。50年 ?100 年
そんなにはなってないと思いますけど、ちょっと確認が必要。ちょっとやばいっすね。これはちょっとやばい。
わー。もったいないな。
そうですね。
What happened? What the? Oh my god, the front door was really nice. You expected to kind of get a surprise. And yeah, you did. マスク使った方がいいですよ。念のために。大丈夫？マスクしなくても。
大丈夫です。
そう。じゃあ入らない方がいい。あとで喉が痛くなる。たまにこういう家そうなんですよ。 Hey, there's a ladder. I guess he tried to fix some stuff. Oh my goodness, there's a hole in the roof or ceiling. That must be some really high jumping cats or dogs. Maybe there's some home abuse in this place. What the heck? Holy night. Something happened here? Okay, there's no tatami. There's nothing in here, so they're ready to go for the renovations. The floor feels okay, but I'll walk on the beams just in case. At least it has an aircon. What else do we got over here? Oh, it's even better than the one house I looked at before where I said it's very convenient to open these gates. Look. Super big holes this time. Isn't that convenient? Oh, this one you could just open through here. Don't even use the handle anymore. Okay. 大丈夫です。Wow. Look at that. They must have had like some children in there. It was like a cage or something. Let's keep the animals in there. That's probably exactly what they did. And the animals couldn't get out, so they tried to get in there. Like, what animals in there? Oh, the guy was a vapor. Oh no, is that a lighter? Oh, it's a lighter. We are the children. We are the world. Or is it the other way around? We are the ones that make a better place. I don't think so. Cockroaches. You got two there. We got an album here. Ooh. It's scary. It's empty. Oh, here we got a couple of pictures here. Okay. So, yeah, we got some pictures of people here, but I won't. Yeah, a lot of them are empty. Maybe it's a clown world. I won't bother it. So, yeah, this was feeling weak over here. It's wet. Looks like massive water damage. Ooh. Yeah. What do we got upstairs here? Oh, wow. At least we got a view from the top. Oh, I just noticed that the kitchen's up here. Oh, that's brutal. Ooh. It looked like it could have been a decent house at one point, but even so, the design's horrible. Just talking about building new houses, and this place they didn't make any good decision on this one. Now I know why this one was on the market for a while. Because on the pictures, I mean, the pictures don't look the greatest, but they definitely don't show what's down there. Oh, wow. Skylights. I guess they did that to block the suns. I love how professionally they've done everything. It's like half-assed stuff. I mean, not to say I could do any better, but it's just funny. Hey, they used a calendar. Okay, the aircon up here is, you see any dates up on there? I can't. My eyes are too bad. Oh, 2004. Found it. 2004 says up there. Marty's starting to get itchy being in this place. Man, what's it with this? Is there something wrong being in this area? Oh, we got a balcony. Yeah. Well, let's get a beautiful picture of this awesome kitchen here. Dinner's ready. Cha-ching! What's for dinner? Would you like to sit at my counter for a cup of sake first? Sure. Wow, every time I think I'm going to come into a place and not be sarcastic and not make stupid jokes, they always prove me wrong. Hey, look! It must be the July 7th or Tanabata or whatever that is, where they tie the things on there and make wishes. I wish I had a new house. They got a purple ribbon too. Okay, knock it off already. Yeah, dogs, cats, I think they had a bear in here, to be honest. Oh. Yeah, the bear, obviously. Nice. It's always nice when you say shit stains on the table, shit stains on the outside of the toilet. You know you had a rough night. Jeez, man. Okay, everybody. Just laugh with me, please. Please laugh with me. I feel so bad. Man. I'm really curious to know what kind of people lived here. I mean, I'm never surprised. Oh, boy. Am I going to get this house or not? We'll see. Yeah, you never know. The world's full of surprises. Hey. I wonder what this is from. How do you scratch the side of a wall on the staircase? Do you like, whee, as you're going down? When you use the handrail? Oh my goodness, I feel so bad. Well, I'm trying to think of the positives of the place. Okay, oh, there. Can't think of any. So, I think the best part of the place is this awesome taped up door here. Look at that.
大丈夫ですか？
大丈夫です。
はい。行きます？
捨てないでね。これ面白そうね、このドア。これテープ。ガムテープじゃなくて、this is the cardboard tape, the weak tape. What are they doing? Oh my goodness. Oh well. It is what it is. どうですか、この家。
まあリフォームが必要ですね。
Just a little bit of reform.
フルリフォーム。
Full reform.
Yeah.
Full reform. Okay. はい、わかりました。お疲れ様です。Get a view up there. Oh, wait. Have a nice day. ピエロの写真があるよ。
はい。
見た？そう。このポイントだけよかった。
ああ。
でもならないし。
今電気が。
ああ、そっか、電気がついてる。
はい。
So the only good part about this house is maybe the door. Oh well. See you later. And the street's not very good either. It's quite steep, and especially up here it's kind of rough. Got other nice houses around here. ちょっと残念だね、この家。It is.